Surfactants are the substances such as soaps which possess surface activity, that is, exhibit the property to lower the surface tension of the liquid and hence increase its surface area, are called surfactants. Detergents, substances which possess the property of cleansing action by lowering the surface tension of water, are called detergents. For example, sodium lauryl sulfate. The polar group is sulfate along with the long chain hydrocarbon chain. Hence, the mechanism of micelle formation here also is same as that of soaps. Of classification based on the nature of dispersion medium. Colloidal systems in which a solid is dispersed in a liquid are frequently referred to as colloid solution or simply sols. Depending upon the nature of dispersion medium, colloidal solutions are sometimes given specific names. Like if dispersion medium is water, it is hydrosol. If it is alcohol, alkosol. If it is benzene, it is benzosol. Preparation of colloidal sols. The lyophilic sols can be prepared directly by mixing the substances with the dispersion medium with the solvent. For example, starch, gelatin, gum, soaps, etc. are prepared by simply dissolving these substances in warm water. Similarly, colloidal sol of cellulose nitrate is obtained by dissolving it in an organic solvent such as ethyl alcohol. The product obtained is called collodion. The lyophobic sols cannot be prepared directly, and the following methods can be employed to prepare them. Mechanical disintegration method. In this method, a substance is put in a colloidal mill and the mill breaks down the particles to the colloidal dimension to prepare a colloidal solution. Burdick's arc method. In this method, this is the metal whose colloidal solution is to be prepared. Current is passed through the electrodes of these metals. Spark is produced. This spark vaporizes the metal and this metal condenses into this cold water. This is ice outside. And the solution prepared here is a sol of a metal. It can be gold sol, platinum sol, or a silver sol. This is called Burdick's arc method for preparation of a colloidal solution. Peptidation. The process of converting freshly prepared precipitates into colloidal solution by adding an electrolyte. Electrolyte added is called peptidizing agent. A reddish brown colored colloidal solution is obtained by adding small quantity of ferric chloride solution to the freshly prepared precipitated hydroxide, ferric hydroxide. Now, what is cause of precipitation? Precipitations are caused by oppositely charged ion of the electrolyte. Oppositely charged means there will be charge on the colloidal particles, and precipitation is done by oppositely charged ion of the electrolyte. That is main cause of precipitation of a colloidal solution. Condensation or aggregation method. Arsenic oxide on reacting with H2S changes to a colloidal solution of arsenic sulfide and water. Gold, silver, platinum, etc. are obtained in colloidal form by reduction of very dilute solution of their salts with the suitable reducing agents. So this is a gold sol. It can be prepared by treating with tin chloride and formaldehyde. Similarly, sulfur sol can be prepared by treating with H2S with bromine, sulfur dioxide with H2S, H2S with nitric acid. By hydrolysis, ferric chloride on hydrolysis changes to ferric hydroxide sol. Then ion exchange method can also be used for preparation of colloidal solutions. By condensing vapors of substances into the solvent, colloidal solutions of substances in water are prepared by passing their vapors in cold water containing a little stabilizing agent like ammonium nitrate. For example, sulfur and mercury. By excessive cooling, colloidal solutions of ice in an organic solvent like ether is obtained by freezing a mixture of solvent and water. So these are the few methods by which we can prepare colloidal solutions.